Well, good morning. Welcome to this edition of the Ag Market Network Weekly Market Report brought to you by FiberMax and Stoneville Seed. And this is the first edition of this program where we actually have export sales. Now, export sales are very much delayed. The report that just came out is for the week of December the 14th through the 20th. And we'll go over the schedule that the Foreign Agriculture Service has given us going forward as to how others will be released. But let's just go straight to these numbers. Remember, they're very old, but that's what we've got. Net sales, very big net sale for cotton, 373,100 running bales, marketing year high. Vietnam took 149,200. We had Bangladesh taking 59,900, Turkey taking 35,500, Korea taking about 29,000. China canceled 4,800 bales. We've got for actual new crop sales 4,000, not a big thing there, and shipments of 207,100. That's a pretty good number if that just reflects a month ago or 5 weeks ago a report that came out. But let's look at the reaction of the market. Cotton was up 20 before the report, now it's up 44 at 74.80, so it's taking it very well. Looking next at soybeans, 2,391,400 metric tons, and that's up 92% over the 4-week average. China took 1,466,000 metric tons. Mexico took, though unknown destinations, took 208,400. Mexico took 166,900. So this is a very good sale here. We had soybeans just before the report up 1.5. Now soybeans are still up 1.5. No change. So market anticipated that. Corn. Net sales of 1,699,400 metric tons. Mexico took 746,700 metric tons. Japan took 511,000 metric tons. Unknown destinations took 167,600 metric tons. Corn before the report was down 1. Right now, corn is down 1. So we're not getting any reaction here in these reports. The wheat, I'm glancing at the wheat price, and wheat does appear to be firming up some. So let's see what the wheat number was. 526,300. That's up 68% from the previous week. Pretty close to what the 4-week average was. Egypt took 170,700. Japan took 139,500. Thailand took 29,600. And wheat before the report was down in March 1.5, and right now it's up about 3/4. So reaction in cotton, reaction in wheat, no reaction at all in soybeans or corn. So just to take a look at, first off, what is the schedule going forward for the release of these exports? And I'm looking at a memo, and this is also on the USDA site. I'll just read straight from the site. It says the report for the week ending December 20th will be released today. It just came out. The report next week that comes out will be reflecting December the 27th. Then after that, and this will be on February the 14th, they will release the number for the week of January 3rd. So they're staggering 3 weeks in a row to reflect back the first 3 weeks that we missed. And then after that, on the February the 22nd, they're going to combine 6 reports, the January the 10th through the February the 14th numbers. They're back in loading this, and some of the comments were they don't want to be disruptive to the market. They're not saying that, but that's some of the comments we've heard. Well, when it's helpful to the farmer, it doesn't seem, towards seeing higher prices quick, they seem like they don't want to disrupt the market. But when we're going down, it doesn't seem to be a problem. So what to expect going forward? Well, if this is any indication, especially in cotton and the numbers in soybeans and the numbers in corn, if this continues for the next 6 weeks worth of reports, then this thing is going to be very constructive for prices. very constructive. And this is a better number than we thought we would see in cotton. And the market seems to be acknowledging that. How high can we go? Well, there's a lot of talk among analysts that old crop cotton can get up somewhere towards 76.5 to 77.5. We're right now at 74, 77. That doesn't seem like a stretch. March soybeans right now are trading at 922.25. The technicals on the charts, for some analysts, not everybody, point toward 960. March corn right now trading at 380.5, and they're pointing up toward $4. March wheat maybe toward 540 to 550. So there's still quite a bit of upside possible in this, and we've got the ammunition here in front of us with the release of these numbers that could drive this thing up to those levels. So be aware, if you're a farmer, you've got to consider if you're holding grain or cotton to be able to take advantage of that, or even if you're considering hedging next year's crop, you might see in front of us this, also a possible trade deal coming down the road, could push these prices up high enough to allow you to get in and do some pricing. So be very alert to that, and we'll continue to watch it also. So that's it. Thanks for being with us for this edition of the Ag Market Network Weekly Market Report. It's brought to you by FiberMax and Stoneville Seed. Thank you.